Curtains are not just pieces of fabric that cover the windows. They play a major role in enhancing the beauty, privacy, and comfort, and overall ambience of your house. Whatever you have, modern apartment, luxury villa, or compact home, the right curtain design can completely transform the look of your interiors. In today's video, we will discuss the importance of curtains, different curtain designs, and curtain fabric types, latest trends. So watch this video till end and choose the perfect curtains for your house. So why curtains are important? The first is the privacy. Curtains protect your personal space from outside visibility and they help to the control natural sunlight enter the room. And quality curtains reduce the heat during the summers and help to the retain of warmth during the winters. So friends, the curtains added to the elegance, style and personality to your house. And thicker curtain fabrics can help to reduce the outside noise. The popular curtain fabric types, the cotton curtains, these are best for the living rooms, bedrooms and dining areas. These are easy maintenance and affordable and natural appearance. The price is starting at 50 rupees to 200 rupees per square foot. And another one is the polyester curtains. These are durable and wrinkle resistant. These are the budget friendly option. The price will be starting at 40 rupees to going up to the 150 rupees per square foot. And another one is the linen curtains. These are premium look and breathable fabric and elegant texture. The price will be starting at 100 rupees to going up to the 300 rupees per square foot. And velvet curtains. These are the luxurious appearance, excellent installation and premium feel. The price will be starting at 200 rupees to going up to the 700 rupees per square foot. And silk curtains, these are rich and elegant look. These are suitable for luxury interiors. The price will be 200 to going up to the 1200 rupees per square foot. Latest curtain design ideas, eyelet curtains. These are the metal rings on the top, modern appearance and easy sliding. The price will be starting at 1000 rupees to 2000 rupees per window or going up much more also. That means pleated curtains. These are formal and sophisticated look, ideal for large living rooms. The price will be starting at 1500 rupees to going up to the 4000 rupees per window. And another one is the sheer curtains. These are the soft and airy appearance, alert to the natural light. This price will be starting at 300 rupees to going up to the 1500 rupees per window. It depends on the quality, design. And another one is the blackout curtains. These are blocks sunlight completely, perfect for the bedrooms. The price will be starting at 700 rupees to going up to the 3000 rupees per window. And one more is the double layer curtains. These are combination of sheets and blackout curtains. The luxury appearance. The price will be starting at 1000 rupees to going up to the 3000 rupees per window. And room wise curtain selection. The living rooms I just recommended sheer curtains, linen curtains, double layer curtains. This at the budget is starting at the 800 rupees to going up to the 3000 rupees. And bedroom is I just recommended blackout curtains or velvet curtains. The budget is starting at 1500 rupees to going up to the 2500 rupees for one room. And children room is a recommended I curtain curtains or printed curtains. The budget will be starting at 500 rupees to going up to the 1500 rupees. Dining room I just recommended linen curtains or light colored curtains. This budget is starting at 500 rupees to going up to the 2000 rupees. So now latest curtain trends in India. The natural color curtains, beige and cream shades, floor to ceiling curtains, double layer curtain system, minimalistic designs and texture fabrics, and smart and motorized curtains. The motorized curtain system, this remote control operation, smart home integration, luxury appearance. The price will be starting at 7000 rupees to going up to the 15,000 or much more also. And curtain rod prices, the basic rods will be starting at 300 to 1500 rupees. Stainless steel rods is starting at 800 to going up to the 3000 rupees. Wooden rods, this is not good. And premium decorative rods will be starting at 1500 rupees. And curtain buying tips, measure window size accurately. Choose the colors according to the wall paint and furniture. Use blackwood curtains for bedrooms. Select washable